Hello everyone. Today I would like to explain about simple past tense. Simple past tense is one of the basic English tenses that we often use in daily conversation and writing. It is used to tell stories, experiences, or activities that happened in the past and have already finished. After this presentation, I hope you can understand the formula and use it correctly. My name is Isupetra Mahmudin and I will explain about past tense. Alright, let's talking about past events. Let's see on slide 1 PPT. Past tense uh it's a past events are actions or situation that happen in past and have already finished. For example, I visited my grandmother yesterday. They played football last Sunday. She watched a movie last night. Simple explanation: past events are things that happen before now. They start and finish in the past. Okay, so this is already uh, used, already done. Okay, what is the simple past tense? Let's come take a look. The simple past tense is a verb tense used to talk about past events or actions that happen and finish in the past. The formula is for positive subject plus verb to plus object, and the negative subject plus did not or didn't verb 1 plus verb 1. For the question, did plus subject plus verb 1 and question mark. For the example, I studied English yesterday. She didn't come to school. Did you finish your homework? For a simple explanation, we use the simple past tense to talk about actions that happen in the past and are already finished. What's the difference? Past events, the things or actions that happen in the past. For simple past tense, the grammar rule we use to talk about those past events. Alright, for the next slide, comprehensive explanation. Come take a look. Simple past tense is used to describe actions or events that happen in the past and already finished. The action does not continue until now. We use this tense to tell someone about our experiences, activities, or facts in the past. For example, when we talk about what we did yesterday, last week, or last year, we use the simple past tense. Okay, simple past tense is usually followed by time expressions. These words tell us when the action happened. For example, yesterday, last night, last week, 2 days ago, or in 2024. Mm, in the short, the year that happened yesterday that we can talk about next. These time signals help us know that the action happened in the past. For the time expressions, yesterday, last night, last week, last month, last year, 2 days ago, in 2024. You can also change the year in other year before this year. Okay, formula: positive sub for positive subject plus verb 2 plus object, and the negative subject plus did not or didn't plus verb 1. For integrative, did plus subject plus verb 1 and question mark. For example, I visited my grandmother yesterday. I played football last Sunday. For negative, I didn't visit my grandmother. Didn't play football. For question, did you visit your grandmother or did they play football? Okay. For the next slide, regular and irregular verbs. Come take a look. In English, there are two types of verbs in the past tense. Irregular verbs are easy because we only add ed or d. For example, play becomes played. Irregular verbs are different because they do not follow the same rule. We have to memorize them. For example, go becomes went, it becomes ate, and buy becomes bought. Come take a look for the example. Play, played. Okay, can you can repeat after me, right? Okay, come on. Play, played. Clean, cleaned. Study, studied. Watch, watched. For the irregular verbs, go, went, eat, ate, buy, bought, see, saw, come, came. For example, that we usually always not really good grammar, but I hope this presentation can make you uh, improve your grammar. Okay. For example, common mistakes. I didn't went to school. This is wrong. The right example is I didn't go to school. Why? Because this usually you have to see what's the difference for the first. I didn't went to school. There are went. Why this is wrong? Because it's already used didn't. Okay. And next, did you eat pizza? Nah. Uh, that's wrong. Like I said before, if you already write about past sentence, you can use the other or same words verb to about past tense. Did you eat pizza? Nah, this is right. Okay, let's move to next slide. Oh, conclusion. For the conclusion, to conclude, the simple past tense is used to talk about actions that happen in the past and have already finished. Positive sentence use verb to, while negative and interrogative sentence use did with verb 1. We should also learn regular and irregular verbs because they are very important in English. Thank you for listening. Okay. Many students mistake when using did. Remember, after did or didn't, we must always use verb 1, not verb 2. So we say I didn't go instead of I didn't went. We also say did you eat instead of you did ate. In English, there are two types of verbs in the past tense. Regular verbs are easy because we only add ed or d. Okay, there are some explains um, about simple past tense. Is used to describe actions or events that happen in the past and are already finished. The action does not continue until now. We use this tense to tell someone about our experience, activities, or facts in the past. Okay, thank you so much for listening. I hope this presentation can make you improve your skills and make you easy to understand. Thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.